This video is going to be talking about a nice ride on gravel and paved roads, about 60 miles around southern Minnesota, northwestern Iowa. Should be a nice ride. It is a nice ride. You can see from the map there's gravel, there's county roads, and there's just a little bit on Highway 71 in Iowa and Minnesota. So it's just a nice, very nice little loop. I did it on my Honda XR 150, and it worked out really quite well. So it's been a good time to ride, a nice, beautiful evening, nice sunset behind the clouds, which is giving the clouds some really nice colors and lighting. So thank you for riding along, and I hope you enjoy the video.